Hi, this is Alfred from Igoodsgh, and this is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. We are doing a quick unboxing and some few things to look out for. Now, looking at the sill, you can see the color is blue. Now, the sill is supposed to match exactly the color inside the box. So that's one thing to look out for. Now, breaking the sill should not be hard. It's an easy pill, and then we have access inside the box. Now, let's see what we have inside the box. Opening it up, the first thing we see is the phone. Let's set the phone aside. Let's see what we have in this little pamphlet. Now, looking at this little pamphlet, the first thing we see inside is a Type-C to Type-C cable. It's black, a manual, and then SIM injector too. So that's it. That's what we find inside. Now let's get to the phone. Good. So let's remove what's protecting it. First, I must say the color looks beautiful. This is my favorite color. Let's peel this off. Now let's turn on the phone. As we're waiting for the phone to turn on, let's just admire the beauty of the phone. Look at this, guys. Samsung did an amazing job. This phone is slim, super light, and I love the design. Looking around the phone, you can see Samsung did an amazing job. I think this is how a foldable should be done. This is a homework that Samsung did. I think they did an amazing job. Now let's set this up and let's see what few things we find. Now again, this is just a quick unboxing. We're not going to do a full review soon. This is just a quick unboxing and some few things to look out for. So like I said, if you're buying a phone, you're supposed to set it up yourself. If you're buying a phone and it's already set up, then you should know that it's actually a used device. Now let's set this up. It's done. Let's see some few things. Now this is from China. This is a dual SIM device, so that means it can take a 2 physical SIM instead of maybe a 1 single SIM, 1 eSIM. So this actually takes a 2 SIM, and I like how when it's folded flat, it closes flat. Let's look at some few details. Let's go to about. You can see right there. It says 2 SIM right there. So this is a very good device. Now let's look at the storage. So let's just go through the storage. This is a 512 gig. Also comes in different storage, but this particular one is a 512 gig. The cameras are also good. Anyways, this is just a quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have more videos like this coming. Catch you guys in the next one, and peace out, guys. Safe.